Hey all, cheers from the Netherlands. Come and check out this self-built tiny home. It's 25 square meter. It has heated floor. In the living room you have a large window. Under the sofa, lots of storage space. Same as all that wardrobe. French doors. Kitchen, very nice tiles. It even has a dishwasher. Pantry with lots of storage. Extra freezer. Fridge. Cat house. Cat actually can get out, in and out from other side. Bathroom with sliding door. The rain shower. And the loft. All the stairs are storage.